Before dawn, February 28, 1994, 6 pilots prepare for a mission that violates international law.
Bosnian Serb airmen walk toward jets built for a different era, helmets tucked under their arms.
Engines roar to life. The Jastreb J-21, a subsonic relic, flies once more into danger.
One by one, 6 jets lift into the dark sky, racing toward a hidden target below.
They hug the terrain, skimming treetops. Flying low is their only defense against watching radar.
50 miles away, NATO radar catches a flicker. 6 unknown contacts, climbing fast, unidentified.
Black Flight, you have 6 bogies. 2 F-16 scramble, afterburners blazing against the dawn sky.
52 miles, closing fast. The F-16 bangs hard, turning toward a target it won't fear. The Jastrebs climb to attack altitude. The moment they rise, their radar signatures light up NATO screens.
An old optical sight, a steady hand. The crosshairs drift onto the factory hidden below. 6 jets form tight pairs, lining up their final approach. This is the moment they trained for.
Dead ahead, contrails, 2 American fighters closing fast. A cold feeling settles in the cockpit. The F-16 scream past the formation. A warning, not yet an attack. The old jets shake.
American Ferraris focus on the target. Their eyes never leave the mission ahead.
The crosshairs finally settle. A thumb hovers over the button. There is no room for hesitation. Bombs release, tumbling free. 550 pounds of steel falling silently toward the target.
The factory erupts in fire. Target is hit. But above them, a new order crackles. Weapons free. Switches shift to air-to-air mode. A target box locks on. What began as a patrol becomes a hunt.
Fox 3. A missile streaks from the wingtip, its radar seeker locked onto the fleeing jet. The missile finds its mark. Half a wing tears away in a violent flash of fire. Scatter. Run. The remaining jets break in every direction, diving low into the valleys for cover.
One pilot flies desperately low, skimming electrical wires. An American fighter locked onto his tail.
The missile explodes near the wires. The Jastreb shudders violently, but somehow stays airborne. Unexpectedly, the American fighter bangs away. The wounded jet limps on, smoke trailing behind it.
Deep in a canyon, 2 jets race wingtip to wingtip. An F-16 closes the gap behind them.
Fox 3. The missile finds its target. 1 Jastreb disintegrates mid-air in a blinding flash.
I'm hit! I'm on fire! Flames tear through the fuselage as the pilot fights to climb.
The canopy blasts away. A parachute blooms open against a smoke-streaked sky. 1 pilot saved.
With no options left, 2 pilots dive straight toward a cliff face at full speed.
1 jet clips the earth. The American pilot lowers his weapon, offers a salute instead, and turns for home.